Hi, Astrid. I'm recording. Say good morning.
Good morning.
What do you want to do today?
When we done in Santa Park, when we done in Santa
A present.
a present, then we tinsel at the park.
That sounds fun.
And we had to leave, and we had to leave, and we had to leave my brother and leave my daddy.
Yeah, 'cause it's a girls' day, huh?
Yeah.
And we're going to have fun, and we're going to get you a dress, and we're going to get me a dress, and we're going to get Xander something Elmo. 'Cause that's what he wants. Alright, I love you.
I love you too.
Bye. Okay, 1 second. Hi, Hammy. Hi, buddy. What you doing over here?
That's right.
What?
That's right.
What, baby?
Uh,
You hear her?
people take Buzz away.
Buzz? Buzz Lightyear?
No, Buzz. Buzz lives in the town. Buzz lives with the pig and the dinosaur and the puppy and the cowboy and the horsey.
Yeah, Buzz Lightyear.
That why Buzz is away, because he's in the white film, and when he's away, there's a people
Bye, Hammy.
Bye, Hammy.
We love you, Hammy.